3 of our experts worked hard for 15 days to build this best fat separators after testing 10 fat separators in our lab. In addition, we read plenty of online reviews and customer feedback for these products.
Number 1.
Bellman Fat Separator. Bellman Fat Separator boasts of its new design. The device comes with a silicone stopper for your airtight sprout and an ergonomic slip-resistant handle. On top of the separator is a solid catching strainer which helps you pour your drippings easily.
Number 2.
OXO 1067505 Fat Separator. With this separator, you do not have to worry about your working area becoming messy. The device has a shield which prevents any spillage over the top. The stopper in this gadget keeps fat out of the sprout. The material used to design this separator is BPA-free, making it safe.
Number 3.
Vondior Fat Separator. Preparing your favorite gravy, fruit pulps, soups, sauces and broth has been simplified. With just a press of a button, your separator will get your fluids ready in seconds. Its inbuilt strainer helps prevent fat, pulp, clumps and any thicker pieces from dropping inside your juices, allowing you to enjoy your fluids to the last bit.
Number 4.
Trudeau 0991105 Fat Separator. Prepare a healthy gravy with Trudeau Fat Separator. The device is easy to use and will get your juice ready within minutes. The material used is heat resistant and can withstand temperatures of up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the freedom to pour hot fluids.
Number 5.
Swing Away Fat Separator. The separator boasts of a spring-loaded bottom opening which helps release your fat-free fluids. The container can hold liquids of up to 4 cups with standard measurements, which allows you to know when your preferred quantity has been separated.